Okay, I'm going to show you how to say each of our high-frequency words for the week in sign language. This is not something that you have to do or that you are required to know how to do, but it's something that we do in class because it's a good way to expand our knowledge of other ways to communicate, and also the kinesthetic movement is a good way to reinforce the new words that we're learning. Okay, so the first word is does. The sign for does is, okay, all right, so do that with me. All right, now let's say it and sign it. Ready? Does. Okay. And let's go to the next one. Okay. All right, and not. Okay, so you're going to do a thumbs up, and you're going to make like a sweeping motion underneath your chin like this. Okay, so do that with me. All right, now let's say it and sign it. Not. Okay? And this is the word school. The sign for school is, okay, you're going to put your hands together twice. You're not going to clap. You're just going to put your hands together 2 times like that. Okay, so do that with me. All right, let's say it and sign it. School. All right, and the last one is what. The sign for what is, okay, and you're going to put your hands out like you're saying, what? Okay, so do that with me. Let's say it and sign it. What? Okay, so let's go over each word and practice the sign. So we're going to say it and sign it. Okay, ready, go. Does, not, school, what? Okay, all right, good job. I hope you enjoyed.